Today we prepared together a creamy risotto with sweet peas and a hint of fresh mint, a spring dish that combines simplicity and refined taste. Ingredients: 350 grams of risotto rice, such as carnaroli or arborio, 1 small onion finely chopped, 1 liter of hot vegetable broth, 200 grams of fresh or frozen peas, a sprig of fresh mint, 50 grams of butter, 100 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, extra virgin olive oil, dry white wine, salt and pepper. Start by sautéing the onion in extra virgin olive oil until it becomes transparent. Then add the rice and toast it, stirring constantly. Deglaze with the white wine and let the alcohol evaporate. Then add the peas and start adding the vegetable broth, 1 ladle at a time. Continue like this until the rice is almost done. Then chop the mint and add it to the rice along with the butter and Parmesan, mixing well. To always stay updated on delicious new recipes, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit our website. Season with salt and pepper, and after a minute of resting, the risotto is ready to be enjoyed. Bon appetit! The risotto with peas and mint is an excellent example of how the sweetness of the peas perfectly marries with the freshness of the mint to create a unique balance of flavors.